Good afternoon, Matt again from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres here in the UK. Just wanted to take this opportunity in this quiet time during all the coronavirus that's going round, so I hope you're all staying safe. Just wanted to take this opportunity while we're quiet just to show you around some of these accessories on this fantastic looking Ranger we've got here. So we will start at the front end. So as you'll be able to see on the front end, we've got a few different options on here. So what we've got at the bottom is, you'll see, is we've got our City spoiler bar, black powder coated, 76mm, very popular item. Just finishes it off, helps against, if you do any off-roading, against the bottom of the bumper and any damage. Now, one of our own products as well that we've designed and made for the Ranger is our Predator 30-inch light bar with our integration grille. So we've designed our own bracketry and everything to sit in there, and what you get from that is you get a full replacement grille, including this part here, that is available in Wildtrak grey as well, and a custom fit grille that actually just surrounds the night. Really nice, really tidy, and looks like it's supposed to be there. We've also got the light surrounds on there as well, very popular item. Moving round, we have got our 20-inch Predator Coyote alloys. These are fairly new to the market. We love them. So they are in stock now, available with a range of different tyre options on there as well. But I think they look really cool, and if I go in a little bit, you can see how it's all been nicely machined out on them edges. They do come in a satin and also a gloss back finish as well. We also have our extreme 9-inch wheel arches for, you'll notice the difference. This is an 18 plate car. If for those of you who paid attention on there can see it's an 18 plate. So it's slightly different. On the new car it just split there and goes down to incorporate the new sensor if it's got it on there as well. So these are in the matte black colour. We do them in coloured options as well. Really give it a really aggressive look and presence. And the offset on them wheels are designed to be absolutely perfect, to be able to come right to the edge of there as well. If I move around to the back, and one of the main reasons for doing this product video is to show you our updated Black Edition SCZ. Now, quite a few of you may have seen this product on our vehicles and certainly on the roads and things, but we've just made some subtle changes. Now, normally the side fins and the spoiler used to come in Wildtrak grey. We've changed this now and for a black edition, so it actually comes in matte black. Very subtle change, but it just gives it something a little bit different. It does tie into the arches, into the wheels, and it gets away from just having that one little bit of grey here that ties in with the Wildtrak on the bumpers and makes it black. Really looks cool. So both side pods and the spoiler done as well. So these are coming in thick and fast. We've got them on, certainly some ready to go now. I'll just show you internally onto this as well, just to show you what the finish is like inside. So what you can see there, it's got a cool full matte black and also a carpet finish in there as well. So interior light on there, works off the switch. So yeah, it's really finished nice. It's a nice feel product, really fits it well, and one of the main benefits and the main aesthetics for this is not everybody wants to get rid of that pickup look. So you can make something really cool, keep your stuff locked, works off remote central locking in the back, and yeah, it still retains that pickup shape. As you can see here, we've also got the light surrounds on there as well to match the front, come as a set. But yeah, I'll just have a quick walk round and show you, but I think the car looks pretty cool. So on this video, all the links for all these individual products will also be at the bottom of the website. If you want any information, the links will be there. Click on them, it'll take you directly to our website. What you can do from there is read all the information about us. There's always someone on hand here to give you a bit more info if needed, and it will give you live stock on there as well. So yeah, I'll be back shortly with another video of another vehicle. See you soon. Thanks for watching.